Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing together to see this. By the title you already see it, right? Unboxing iPad 7th generation. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit review. I'm not really a technical person. I don't really know much to say about it. Then let's unbox it and see what I can say about it. How about that? Okay, then I'm going to set it up. Like sometimes I might actually use this to film. Yeah, not a very long video of shooting video all the time. No, maybe every now and then, especially if I need to go live. I intended to use this to go live so I can keep my phone aside. Okay, so we're gonna be unboxing it. Like I'm always like excited when I buy, like when I have my package. I always open, but I open this. This is how it came. Of course, I purchased it on Amazon. This is how it came, but I've not opened the main product. I just opened this, and we're going to open the main product by itself. Okay, we're going to open the main products together, all right, for us to see it. Yes, I'm super excited. Anyway, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please do let me comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Anyway, so we're going to be unboxing this together. Yay! This is how this is looking. I've not opened it, and we're going to open this together. Okay, so I bought a tripod. That I have a tripod. I bought the attachment to the tripod that's actually meant for iPad, so I'm going to be fixing that as well for you guys to see how that looks. That's what I meant by setup. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm right here struggling to look for where I can pass my scissors through because I don't want to ruin it. I'm just trying to, you know, get, yes, so I finally got this, so I can be able to take this out. You see, take that out. Yay. Yes, this is 32 gigabytes iPad 7th generation, Wi-Fi only. This is not for cellular purpose. I got it. There. And this is in color gray. First of all, let's see what we have in the box. What we have in the box, of course, we have the cable that you're going to use to connect. Yes, and right here we have the adapter right here. Okay, and of course, I believe this is the manual that comes with it, designed by Apple in California. That's what they wrote on it, and this is it. And the main product is right here. So just gonna take out this, and I believe it should come charged. You know, of course I'm still going to charge it, but let's just see how. I just like to see the Apple logo, like when you turn on your phone. So this is it. Like I said, this is the iPad 7th generation. This is 10.2 inches. Yes, and it's color gray. It actually looks like black from the current from out there, but this is gray. And this is 32 gigabytes. If we can actually turn it on, I still need to charge it, but you know, yeah, of course I'm going to charge it before I start setting it up and all that good stuff. So this is it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I intend to use it with my tripod, and I bought the adapter like I said. Let me grab the so also I bought the adapter came like this. You know, I told you guys I always open just to see if I have the right thing. I will not open the main product, but I'll just see, okay, I have the right thing, then I will go ahead and, you know, put it aside till the day that I'm ready to really unbox, because I hate to be disappointed that very day that I want to do the unboxing will be the wrong thing. Then all effort will be wasted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it out to show you guys. Also, I purchased this also. This is a iPad tripod mount adapter. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to be using to connect with my already owned you know, the selfie stick thing that I show you guys in one of my videos. That's what I intend to use it to connect it. So I'll go ahead and bring this out for you guys to see. Then we'll go ahead and jump into connecting it, and let's see how that works. This is it, and this is the adapter. I believe this is just to, I don't know what this is for, but it's like a foam. I don't know what this for, but oh, it's extra foam. Yes, it's extra foam for this place. Maybe if this doesn't work anymore, you know, it's the pad. It's a pad. This one right here is the same extra one they put right here. I believe this is stick on. You have to take the white thing out to stick it on. Maybe if this doesn't work anymore, then you can attach the spare one. Here is the adapter, and this is the one I already introduced to you guys in one of my video before. So we're just going to go ahead and, you know, just, you know, put that in the iPad. Just put that up, and bam, that's it. Let me see the right place to, yeah guys, look at that. And this is on. I'm still gonna set it up, download some apps, but I don't intend to save a lot on this at all. I don't want to save a lot on it because the memory is just like 2 gigabytes. So if I keep saving too much on it, it's gonna be full. So the main purpose is I can use it, you know, to do my live stream, or, you know, watch some YouTube videos and all that. That's the main reason why I purchased it. You know, just lay down on the couch or on the bed and browse through some websites. You know, if I use my laptop or something else, and use this baby boy to do something else. So this is it, and that's all about it. Okay, all right guys, and you know, this is so super cool. I'm just so much I'm so much happy and excited. I'll put the price of the adapter as well. I'll put it in the description bar, and also the price of this iPad, I'll put it in the description box as well. And this is about it guys. We've done with the setup, and that's it. It's not difficult. I will put every link in the description box for you guys, just in case you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.